What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, as you can see by the title and probably the thumbnail, about to head on over to Speed Zone. The homie Luis is getting his wheels set up, so we're gonna go ahead and head on over there. But before we do all that, I want to let you guys know, if you were not aware, the merch shop is open. Link will be in the description below. I'll have the website directly, as well as my link tree, which has the link for the website and my other profiles like IG, Facebook, and stuff like that. So definitely check that out. I'm wearing one of the shirts now, Static Life. We also have Bag Life, Low Life, and a bunch of other shirts. So definitely check it out. But without further ado, let's go ahead and head on over and meet up with the homie. Alright, so just showed up. I missed the homie Luis's car before he's getting his wheels on, but we about to go in the back. But look at what Ryan did. So at different angles you get different colors. So now we just gotta work on getting them stickers to match. Gonna do the Speed Zone sticker. He already took off the back one, but we're gonna get that as well. But yeah, definitely let me know what you guys think. I'll throw a link to his Instagram below so you can stay up to date on him as well. So definitely stay tuned as well, because he got some things cooking. But yeah, that's the rental right there. I need to talk about that. Got the owner, Vicious. That is, I don't know, I love it. I kind of missed the Cadillac, but that is dope. Alright, but yeah, let me go ahead and head on in. Alright. Looking good. But rubbing in the back. Let me know what you guys think.
So you got to go 2 things right now, buddy. Sir.
So mean.
Fender roll? Rear. Fender rollers.
I thought they were rolled, they not?
He got like half an inch fucking metal piece behind there.
Oh.
That's why I don't do my rear.
Alright.
Yeah, if only the rear could do the same camera at the front, then it would be good. Yeah. You'll be great. Because really the back, all you need is one degree.
It's on there. Like, can't. Yeah, that ain't gonna work. Sheesh.
But that's what I'm saying, like your stock camera uses 1 degree. That 1 degree is far enough to clear.
That works. You know, it's just in the spring.
That could have been it. 7 years of rattling. It looked like he pulled it off the road or something, like the tire.
Just picked it up, yeah.
Like picked it up, the tire picked it up, and it's
Well, there go your sound. Alright, let's see.
You don't even need any lube.
Oh yeah.
Now the front's higher.
That looks good.
The rear, I didn't even touch the bottom and lifting it up.
Nice.
Now the front went a little bit higher.
Yeah, but the tire
Sitting level now, okay.
that kind of covers that gap.
Yeah.
You know, looking at it. Well, once it airs down the bag, I get it on.
Coming soon, bags. Already.
I beg your pardon. Oh, he probably got a chance. Oh, he going remote start. Okay. Alright, you'll push on. Already.
Okay, okay.
Well, I got to on the downpipe and even like that. Well,
You should say it.
that ain't nothing. What you hear that?
Okay.
Just put it right.
That sounds pretty good though. And you can switch it.
We actually kept it the same height.
Yeah. The rear, the front, we matched it with the rear. way, sir. For real. I mean, we're getting old, but not that.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Fucking fast, straight up. Oh! Let me know if it grips.
Yeah, scared him. That sounds real good.
Line them up. You can raise the red one. Oh, hell no. That's a beast. I'm training the ruler.
Okay. Looking good, clearing. Yeah. And that's the red one they talk about.
Still should have black wheels though. I still think should have black wheels. Uh-oh. What's he doing? I'm just saying though. Come on, let's race.
Looking good, looking good. Yeah.
That fitment can't be more fucking perfect. Oh God.
Looking good.
Looking good.
Hold on. Let me get my phone.
I think it looks good. And the color choice for the wheels, different. Switching up the theme. I'm feeling it. And if you want to change the color of the car, should be able to go with a few different ones, easy.
Hey, he said stop, pull the e-brake. You got a dust leak, buddy. Why you say that? I talk shit. He's like, I ain't stepping on it, here's the owner. There you go, thank you. Good car, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. You have fun with it? Again.
Alright. Making sure. Test. Nice little healthy test drive. That is crazy. Man, it sounds good. Alright, so that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. You see the homie shining, doing pretty good, like looking good there, not so much in the middle, but hey, it is what it is. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Remember, links in the description for the homies, for the merch. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.